Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. See question number 3. Its a part is a square plus 9a is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation, and we know that it is equal to 0, and we have to factorize first so that each part should become equal to 0. Now factorize first. For factorization it is very simple, and you will take common from both the terms. So take a as common, a is common, and here will remain only a and 9 here, because a is outside of the bracket, so is equal to 0. And you know that a is equal to 0 and a plus 9 is equal to 0. You will write it 2 times. A is equal to 0 and a plus 9 is also equal to 0. So it has become equal to 0, and we will write it as, by plus 9 will be taken toward the other side, it will become minus 9. So 0 minus 9, these are equal to 0. You can say that its answer is 0 or minus 9. Now see here, b square minus 7b is equal to 0. You will take b as common, and b minus 7 will remain inside the bracket, is equal to 0. Now b is equal to 0 and b minus 7 second term is also equal to 0. So b is equal to plus 7 on the other side. So you will write the answer 0 or 7. Now see here, 5c square is equal to 0 and plus 25c. 5c square plus 25c, you will take 5 as common and c as common. So here will be c only, and here will be 5 5 are 25, 5 only is equal to 0. Now 5c will be equal to 0 and c plus 5 will also be equal to 0. Now c is equal to minus 5, and from here you see that 5 is multiplied, it will be divided on the other side. So divide on the other side, so 0 is here and here is c is equal to minus 5. Now 0 or minus 5 is our answer. Now see here, d part, 3d square minus 4d is equal to 0. You will take d as common from both, so 3d minus 4 will remain inside the bracket, is equal to 0. Now d is equal to 0 first term, and 3d minus 4 is also equal to 0 second term. And now 3d is equal to 4, minus 4 will be taken on the other side, it will become plus 4, and d will remain here, so 4 will be divided by this 3, because it is multiplied on this side, it will be divided on the other side. So now 0 or 4 over 3 is our answer. Also simplify it, find the answer in whole number, and you know that it will become, if you divide 4 numerator by the denominator, 3 ones are 3, so answer will be 0 or 1 whole, this 1 first, this later, over 3. See here, you can take 3 and f as common from both, so here will be only 1 and here will be 3. When 81 is divided by 3, it makes 27, and f is out, so 1f will remain inside the bracket, is equal to 0. Now 3f is equal to 0 and 1 minus 27f is also equal to 0, and you know that 3 is being multiplied by f, it will be divided on the other side, so divide it here, and minus 27 will remain here, minus 27f is equal to 1 on the other side, it will become minus 1, because here it is a plus 1, and f is equal to 0 here, and here you can cancel this minus and this minus, 1 over 27 on the other side, 27 is multiplied by f, it will be divided on the other side, so 0 or 1 over 27 are our answers. Here minus 4h square minus 16h is equal to 0. You will take minus 4 and h as common. Here will remain only h, and due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign plus, and 4 4 are 16, 4 here, h is out, so is equal to 0. Now minus 4h is equal to 0 and h plus 4 is also equal to 0, so h is equal to 0 over 4, or you can say minus 4, and here h is equal to minus 4 on the other side, plus 4 is here, it will become minus 4. Now h is equal to 0 only, because 0 divided by minus 4 is equal to 0, and here is h is equal to minus 4. Our answer is 0 or minus 4. See here, k square plus 12k plus 36 is equal to 0. We have to factorize it first so that it may become simple. So try an identity. You know that a square plus 2, that of identity, a first, b is 6 plus 36 6 square is equal to 0. You know that 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12k, and k square is here. A square plus 2ab plus b square, this is our identity, and you know that this identity is equal to, I am going to write it here, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know this identity, so we will try it here. Now due to this identity, you know that this whole term is enclosed like this, as this is enclosed like this. So k first term and the last term plus 6, this sign should be here, whole will be squared. Just like that, this 2ab is hidden here, a plus b is whole square. Similarly, this 2k6 is hidden here, and first term and last term has become equal to square. Now you will write it 2 times, or simply you can take in the form of plus minus k plus 6 one time and k plus 6 next time, because it is 2 times, so you will write it 2 times and it is equal to 0. Now you see that k plus 6 is equal to 0 here, and again k plus 6 is equal to 0 here. Now k is equal to minus 6, and here k is equal to minus 6. Now you see that k is equal to minus 6 is our answer. Write it here, our answer is minus 6. See here, apply the identity again. M square minus 2, that of identity, m here, and then 64, 8 8 are 64, 8 here, and plus 8 square is equal to 0. Now m first term and the last term should be equal to, as a square, this minus sign should be here, and a minus b whole square is equal to 0. A square minus 2ab plus b square, a 2s are 16 here, 8 8 are 64. So you know that from the second step we can go to first step, so we are doing right, and here is the identity used here, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see that a square minus 2ab plus b square, just like that, and it is whole square. Now you will write it 2 times m minus 8 one time and m minus 8 second time, that are equal to 0, because here it is square, so I have written it 2 times. Now m minus 8 is equal to 0 and m minus 8 is equal to 0. M is equal to 8 and here m is equal to 8. So 8 is our answer. From both sides it is 8. See here, n square minus 16 is equal to 0. You can solve it like that. N square is equal to 16. Now to remove square, take under root on both sides. 16 will be also under rooted. Under root will be cancelled. N is here and 16 is equal to plus minus 4. After taking under root, it will become plus minus 4. It may be our answer, but you can solve this equation like that by the second method. And in the second method you can solve it n square minus 4 square. It means that a square minus b square, just like that we have solved the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to 0. Now n plus 4 and n minus 4 is equal to 0. Write n plus 4 is equal to 0 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. Now n is equal to minus 4 here and n is equal to 4 here. So minus 4 or 4 is our answer in this sense. You can follow any method. See this part. 25 is square of 5 and p is already squared, so 5p whole square plus 2 that of identity and 5p here, and 7 7s are 49, so 7 here in the place of b, and 7 square is equal to 0. Again a square plus 2ab plus b square. 7 square is equal to 49. 7 5s are 35. 35 2s are 70p and 5 square is equal to 25. We can move to first step. So enclose it in the whole bracket. A term and b term whole square is equal to 0. Now write it 2 times 5p plus 7 one time and 5p plus 7 in another time. Now 5p plus 7 is equal to 0 and 5p plus 7 is equal to 0. Both will be equal to 0. So 5p is equal to minus 7 and 5p is equal to minus 7. As the plus 7 will move to other side, it will become minus 7. So minus 7 divided by 5 here and minus 7 divided by 5 here. So minus 7 over 5 is our answer from both the sides. Write it in the form of whole number. 7 divided by 5, 5 1s are 5. Subtract 2 is here. So this may be our answer, 1 whole 2 over 5 minus here. See here, 4q square minus 12q plus 9. 4 is the square of 2 and q is already squared, so whole 2 square 2q square and minus 2 that of identity and 2q first term. Second term is 3 because 9 is square of 3. 3 square is equal to 0 here. 3 square is equal to 9 and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 2 2s are 4, 4q square. So it is just like this identity of negative identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square Now you can have both in the same bracket. 2q minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Write it 2 times. 2q minus 3 is equal to 0, and 2q minus 3 is equal to 0 because it was squared and mistakenly I left a step. Now 2q is equal to 3 and 2q is equal to 3 from here, and q is equal to 3 over 2, and q is equal to 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is our answer, and you can find it in the form of whole number. So it will become 3 over 2 or 1 whole 1 over 2. It may be our answer. See this last part of question number 4. 4r square minus 100 is equal to 0. So 4r square is equal to 100 here, and r square is equal to 100 over 4, and r square is equal to 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. So remove square of r and you will take under root on both sides, and r is equal to plus minus 5 here because 25 under root is equal to 5. This is our answer. You can solve it with another method by applying the identity a square minus b square, but this is also a suitable method. I have told you other method of this question in part C. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.